Hi there, this is my cat Rosie O'Dominic. She's a registered software developer and she has a duck. And I am Ray the Bearman at KFUI Global Radio. I'm going to make a serious video. I'm going to look serious. Okay, hold on. A camera. These are Hyperlights. This is a company out of California. They sell many of these. They're quality lights when they work. And I have the room kind of dark on purpose. I'll get to that in a minute. Many companies do this. They bury their circuit boards where it's hard to fix. Let me flip on the big light here. And I spent 45 minutes digging this far through layers and layers of silicone. The fuse blew because of a heat buildup. I cannot get to the fuse. So Hyperlight is not the only company that does this stuff, but Louis Rossman fought for the right to repair, which passed in the state of Colorado. And so therefore, many companies are starting to make it easier to get access to their own products that you bought, that I bought. I own two of these. Look at that, 1 and 2. And so basically, after I called Hyperlight and they did not know the data of the voltage that comes out of their power supply that goes into the diode assembly, right? I thought, well, that seems kind of odd, but I make a lot of videos, and I have several videos with commercials on them, and let me go over here. On several of my videos, there's a girl named Zoe, pretty girl. Now, her and her husband own a wood shop, and they work on the weekends building wood products in Florida. So it's interesting. It's a win-win situation, you think? Having a pretty girl in front of my videos, people are going to tune in, right? So anyway, Hyperlight's a good company, except I feel kind of awkward that they don't have data about their own product. I'm going to check the time. A few sunspots. I kind of have ADHD, can you tell? Okay, so basically, I don't know if I mentioned Louis Rossman fought for the right to repair, which did pass in the state of Colorado. People are buying the cheaper knockoff lights from Amazon because Amazon is local. Amazon's in Colorado Springs, kind of close to me. So therefore, they're buying these cheaper lights because they're cheaper and they get delivered in 17.2 hours without having Prime. Cool. So this is my video. Also, oh wait, I almost forgot. So I have this diode assembly, right? 48 volts going in. Look at that. This is 7 times brighter than a street light. Again, 7 times brighter than a street light. 35,000 lumens. Not bad. Thanks for tuning in. Dun, 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 dun.